Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD70 Emergency Generator. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, start emergency generator on engine control. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, switch on the voltage control, then check the voltage and frequency. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put emergency generator control to auto. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD73 emergency switchboard. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put all breaker in on freedom panels, including emergency transformer inlet breaker. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD71 main switchboard feeders, then put all breakers in. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put all breaker in on main switchboard.
Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD72 main switchboard feeders, then put all breakers in. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD40 to start the ER fan number 2 supply and exhaust fans. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD01 seawater system. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to seawater overboard valve. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, open low suction sea chest inlet valve. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, open DG1 and 2 FW coolers and seawater shut-off valve and FW coolers number 1. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, open seawater recirculation line shut-off valve. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put temperature control to auto mode.
Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, start auxiliary seawater pump. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, go to MD59, start air system. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, open emergency start air receiver inlet valve and outlet valve. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, open diesel generator 1 and 2, start air supply valve. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put emergency compressor to local control. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, start emergency compressor by pressing on until receiver pressure to at least 20 bars. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, put emergency compressor to remote control. Go to MD75 diesel generator number 1.
Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, check load oil sump tank level, minimum level 30% and maximum 80%, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, open lube oil filter number 1, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan Sir, manually start lubricating oil priming pump, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Check the level of expansion tank. Fill up the tank normal level. If no water flow, go to MD67 and open appropriate valve, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Switch on electric preheater with a set point of 75 degrees Celsius, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open number 1 diesel oil filter, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open pump suction valve fuel, sir. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD05 heavy fuel oil service tank, sir.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Please open diesel oil suction valve from diesel oil service tank. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open diesel oil supply valve to DG1 and 2. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Please go back to MD75 and check start air pressure must be above 14 bar. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to engine control panel and press start. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Observe the changes of all parameters. RPM should be 905 N. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put auto mode the preheater. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put lube oil priming pump to auto. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Please put engine control to remote.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD76 diesel generator number 2. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Line up diesel generator number 2 same as DG1, then start DG2. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD70 electric power plant. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Press voltage control on of DG number 1 and 2. Observe the voltage and frequency output. Requirements should be 440 voltage and 60 Hz. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD141 main switchboard diesel generator 1. Check the frequency and the voltage pressing either R to S, S to T, T to R, and current by pressing either R, S, T. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Press synchronous button and select diesel generator number 1, then connect the breaker. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD01 and start the auxiliary pump again. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD72, main switchboard feeders, main transformer inlet breaker, in. Go to MD01 and start main seawater pump number 1, then put to remote.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD143, main switchboard, diesel generation 2. Check the frequency and the voltage by pressing either R-S, S-T, T-R, and current by pressing either RS. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Press synchronous button, then select DG2, then adjust the frequency to a clockwise direction. Connect the breaker at 11 o'clock, switch off synchronous. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD101 power chip generator control. Press connect auto, prior 1 for DG1 and prior 2 for DG2. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD40 to start all ER fan supply and exhaust fans.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD10, freshwater system, open LTFW, cooler number 1, shut off valve. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Open LTFW, FWC 1 and 2 bypass valve and air compressor, cooler shut off valve. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Start LTFW pump number 1, then switch to remote. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD59, start air system. Prepare the air compressor number 1 and 2 using receiver number 1 and 2.
Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Go to MD102, power chip pumps and compressor control. Chief Engineer Jordan, sir. Put SW pump and LTFW pump to auto mode. Put all air compressor to auto mode.